2026 911 Carrera T in gray, Vanadium Grey, and this is 6-speed manual as well. Very common color. The thing I like about the Carrera T is they come in 6-speed manual, not the 7-speed. Because I always mention that 7-speed is not really convenient when you drive. 6-speed is the way to go now. And this is used, pre-owned, 2026, but pre-owned. Very clean sample. 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera T, 6-speed manual.